Morning everyone. How are you all doing? Got some jobs to do today. But first job of the day. Much fresh snow, so it should come up pretty easy. Cool. Big one. Start trying to get in the habit of just clearing all the snow off the roof to the houses, which is not ideal. There we go, soil is clean. Sunny day. Got nothing. Probably won't tilt it here because I don't know. See if the sun comes out, I'll tilt it a little bit. No, I'm a dog.
Get splashed as well.
Are you going to that one?
Yeah.
That one.
Because the other ones, they're closed. They're closed for the week and they're just... Now here we go. We watch him have a fit now. Wait! Stop it! Like horses.
Don't stand on them. What slip is that? How are these? Browns in it. Oh, there you go. Your feet warm.
Oh, well, I don't know.
What? Them?
I mean, don't be... They keep my feet warm. I've got loads of them.
Yeah. Why not use them?
Yeah, because...
What about them ones at the end? We could do with some fluff.
How do you think about walking in all this snow all the time? Take it out.
Scooping the sandwich.
You scoop sauce.
Them ones down there.
It's just one though, I don't think. It was open last night and it was like 6:30, so when did it open in like that?
What's the matter? No, you used to see in the camera anymore, were you? Sit. You did this thing. Nothing's ever free.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, burger though.
I don't.
That'd be nice.
Oh, I don't. I don't even know. I don't even know.
You know?
No. I had €30 yesterday. So what day is it on? Well, we've been to Portugal. See if that goes. Don't touch it. I want to eat the birds. Please. What did you say? You say, oh my God, Sweat change! Watch that.
Petrol. That's it there. That big foam thing.
What is? Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That doesn't seem too bad. That doesn't seem too bad.
Bubble, if you eat this, I'm going to kill you.
It really stinks. Leave it now.
Hopefully it's not damp.
What's this wet Irish on the car? Oh, that one. I thought you meant this one.
I'm going to cover all that up again. Oh, it's so at the bottom.
Oh, I'm joking.
It's too wide anyway, so I can cut the wet bit off.
Huh?
No, I can go around the little booky bits. You have to do it.
I mean, that's probably put a mark on your thing now. I've got makeup on. Oh, yep, there it is. Hello.
Yeah, so lightweight.
Okay then. Jippo.
This is all bedroll. That's the heel legs.
It is though, isn't it?
Yeah, but not primarily.
It's alright. Don't worry about holding the door open for me. Oh, don't worry about opening it at all. Oh, just cut total one.
Shall I stand there a sec?
Oh no. Oh no. This is no life at all. Does it get heavier?
Oh,
Every step of the way.
my whole arm is soaked.
Oh, you're joking. How are we going to dry it out?
No, I'll just try and squeeze it, I think.
Okay.
Easy good boy. Come on now, let's go. Let's go this way.
That was a nice dog. Really nice. What I'll do is... Still going. I know. Instant karma. You look funny though, so I'm making the most of it.
Right, we made it back. I just started pulling it in half. It'll be easier to work with. I don't think it'll be comfy enough just one half though, but we'll see. I'll try and chop it up now. Wet. It's not bad, but definitely going to need two layers, I think. The idea is, I think I showed you last night, this bit lifts up, so you've got the fridge and shower tank. And then I'm going to make a bit under here like pulls out, rather than having it hinged. Yeah, should be alright once it's done. Right, there we go. Obviously it looks like absolute shit at the minute. And to be honest, if I was to buy it, I would buy the heavier duty stuff that's just one layer, because this is called a soft, obviously it's a mattress. But you know, it was free, so when you pour, which I am right now, you gotta take what you can get, ain't you? Pretty much. It'll do the job though. Be alright, I'll just get some blankets on it. So here's what I'm thinking. They're the cushions from the old sofa, so I'll just cut that there, and I'm going to probably attach them to the wall. So we've got a bit of a side. I'll do the same there as well. Just need to move the heat control and that up to there. And then I've got to cut this board here and screw that bit in so it hinges from there instead, just to make it a bit more comfy. Try and make it as good as I can. Should be alright, I think, once it's done. Marie's on her way back now though with some burgers, so this can go on hold for a minute.
Need to take my shoes off. Oh, how's it going?
Good?
Finished?
No.
Stop looking.
I'm making it extra cool.
Are you?
Obviously rational.
Turn the big light off the front.
The next time you do it, you'll be concealed. Or the next time you did it, you'll be fulfilled. Or the next time you did it, you'll be fulfilled. Theodore Bundy has a
So much better.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh, shell.
Screwdriver. Right. Very cool.
How many can you fit in there?
Just one. It's cheap, so
How much?
20 quid.
So that's going to be your new one?
Well, what I can do, you see, is
change them.
Yeah, switch. I've got 4 drives in my computer, but I've got that new hard drive, haven't I? Slide off the upper case. It will not slide. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Ooh. Fit. And it just slots in there beautifully.
Keys.
Case everyone. Hard drive enclosure because my PC's fried.
Oh god.
Yeah.
What are you actually going to do?
Leave it.
Well, at least you can get all your stuff off it.
Yeah.
That's the good thing about it. Hopefully.
The only gay thing about these is they have a plug. What voltage is it? It's 12 volt, so I could just power it off. Oh, so that's sick. I can just run a fuse to it. 2 amp, 12 volt, so I don't need this. Cool.
I was doing this many weeks ago before I was even with you.